hacksaw hangs above the bench, a relic of the grain. 3 decades in the fire, carving out the pain. I used to feel the vectors in the calloused of my thumb, calculating weight and prongs before the day was done. Now the gold sits in a jar, waiting for a different kind of hand to map the lines of symmetry across this digital land. Oh, let the algorithms sing the geometry of light, from the nodes of AlgoJewels into the casting night. Wireframes dancing in the grasses and the scrap heap far behind. I still hear the hammer's rhythm in the code I write today, as the ghost of the old bench hand begins to fade away, begins to fade away. Input the parameters, tell the shanks how fast to grow, calculating tensile strength in the rhythmic digital flow. Sentence tracks the metal price, knows exactly what we'll lose. Automated gemstone settings picking out the hues. Every prong is perfect now, set with 0 tolerance grace. The soul is in the logic of the wireframe's embrace. Oh, let the algorithms sing the geometry of light, from the nodes of AlgoJewels into the casted night. Wireframes dancing in the grasshopper's green, mind-leaving manual, Hammer's rhythm in the code I write today, as the ghost of the old bench hand begins to fade away, begins to fade away. It's not just lines and vectors, it's the light inside the stone, a language for the artisans who refuse to work alone. From the grain of the old bench to the logic of the screen, building every legacy within the space between. Oh, let the algorithms sing the geometry of light, from the nodes of AlgoJewels into the casted night. Wireframes dancing in no tolerances and a scrap heap far behind. I still hear the hammer's rhythm in the code I write today, as the ghost of the old bench hand begins to fade away, begins to fade away. Fade away? Yeah, just code in the grain.
Logic in the wire, moving like a flash, trading in the chisel for a digital dash. Point to point, we're bridging the space,